Infinix has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Hot series in India called Infinix Hot 65G Plus, with dedicated customizable AI button. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 65G Plus features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 700 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, paired with IMG BXM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR5X RAM, that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Infinix Hot 65G Plus sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f1.6 aperture, along with the 8-megapixel selfie shooter at the front, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with XOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistant. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166 by 76.8 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 65G Plus has been priced in India at 10,499 Indian rupees. And it is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 17th, in caramel glow, shadow blue, sleek black, and tundra green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Hot 65G Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.